In today's video, I'm going to teach you Cloudways versus Hetzner. Which hosting path makes the most sense for your performance, budget, and technical skill level? If you build websites, run client projects, manage SaaS products, or handle Linux servers, this comparison matters a lot. Cloudways and Hetzner solve very different problems. One is built around convenience and managed hosting. The other is built around raw performance and value, but with much more responsibility on your side. First, it's important to understand the technical separation between them. Hetzner is infrastructure as a service. That means you get a virtual machine or dedicated server with full control, but also full responsibility. You are the one handling updates, firewall rules, web server tuning, and database performance. It's powerful, but very hands-on. Cloudways takes the opposite approach. It sits on top of infrastructure providers and gives you a managed dashboard, a pre-optimized stack, and automation that removes most command line work. Now let's talk about price to performance, because this is where the difference becomes dramatic. A managed 8 gigabyte server through Cloudways can cost around $88 per month. With roughly that same budget on Hetzner, you can often get much more raw compute power, including multiple cloud instances or even a strong dedicated server. Hetzner is also known for generous bandwidth limits, which can make a huge difference if you expect heavy traffic. Next is optimization and support. On Hetzner, getting top-tier speed usually means manually configuring caching, Redis, web server rules, and security tools yourself. And if your application breaks, infrastructure support will not fix your code or database problems. Cloudways, on the other hand, automates a lot of this. It provides an optimized stack, includes strong caching advantages on larger plans, and gives you around-the-clock support for application-level issues. If you want Hetzner's low-cost hardware, but don't want to live in the terminal, there's an alternative route. You can launch a clean Ubuntu server and install Coolify using its automated install command. That gives you a self-hosted visual control panel, making Hetzner feel much closer to a managed platform without the monthly markup. If Cloudways sounds like the right fit, the setup is straightforward. Go to the Cloudways website, sign in, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress or application optimized option, then select an infrastructure provider like DigitalOcean or Vultr. Set the server size to at least 2 gigabytes of RAM. Choose the data center closest to your audience and launch the server. As soon as the server is active, open your application settings and go to Domain Management. Enter your live domain and set it as primary. Then open the SSL certificate section. Enter your administrative email address and install the certificate so your site is secured with HTTPS.